Hey there, woodworkers and enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest and greatest tools and equipment for all your woodworking needs. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join our growing community of like-minded craftsmen. Today, we're taking a closer look at the upgraded Carpenter square aluminum miter triangle ruler. This precision tool is a game-changer for anyone working with wood, as it's designed to make your layouts and measurements more accurate and efficient than ever before. Crafted from durable aluminum alloy and treated with anodized surface treatment, this square miter triangle ruler is built to last and withstand the rigors of the job site. Its robust construction means you'll be able to rely on it for years to come, making it a smart investment for any professional or hobbyist woodworker. But it's not just about durability, this tool is all about precision. With its protractor feature, you'll be able to easily set and measure angles of 45 and 90 degrees, allowing for precise cuts and joints. And with the precision hole scribing function, you can quickly and accurately mark out hole locations with ease. Whether you're a seasoned carpenter or just starting out in the world of woodworking, having the right tools can make all the difference. And that's why we highly recommend adding the upgraded Carpenter square aluminum miter triangle ruler to your arsenal. It's the perfect companion for any woodworking project, and it's sure to take your craftsmanship to the next level. So, what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description to get your hands on this game-changing tool today. Trust us, you won't regret it. And while you're at it, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more reviews and recommendations on the best tools for woodworking. Thanks for watching, and happy woodworking.